Hello, my name is Duff, and today we'll be going over Stack'em. Stack'em is a pretty simple module, and in fact, I don't even need to open the manual to show you what to do. So, when you first start up, there are 6 cubes.
This is the story of a man named Stanley.
And they're always going to be colored in this manner: blue, green, orange, magenta, red, yellow. There's also going to be 4 numbers at the bottom. And basically what you want to do is that each cube is assigned a value, and you want to add them in a certain way so that you get the value at the bottom. So, the only thing we need is serial number, and that is Lima Romeo 5, India Uniform 0. So what we do is we take each one of these and put them in their alphabetical, in their numerical positions, and then we modulo that by 6. Well, we modulo it by 6 until it's within the range of 1 and 6. So L is 12, and mod 6 will become 6. So we have 6. R is 18, mod 6 becomes 6 again. 5 just stays as 5. I is 9, mod 6 is 3. U is 21, mod 6 is 3. And 0, since it has to be within the range of 1 and 6, is a 6. So what we do from here is we actually reverse the string, so it's now 6, 3, 3, 5, 6, 6, and then we put each one of the colors on the module beneath the numbers. So we have blue, green, orange, magenta, red, yellow. What we do from here is we organize this in ascending order, keeping any ties in the same order as they appeared first. So first thing is 1. We don't have any 1s, so we continue. Next thing we have is a 2. We don't have any 2s, continue. Next thing we have is a 3. We have 2 3s, so we keep them in the same order, in the order we got them. Next thing is 4, we don't have 4. Then 5 is magenta. Then we have 3 6s, which is blue, red, and yellow. Again, keeping them in the order they originally came in. And now with this new sequence of colors we number them from 1 to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And like I said before, we're going to be adding them to each one of these, and then to get to the number listed. Now, do note that once you have something selected, you can't just click again to unselect it. You have to click something else. And there's only a maximum of 5 cubes per stack. You can't go above the stack limit. So, if you accidentally place down a cube, so like this for example, you press the delete key, and you click on the cube or cubes that you want to get rid of. But let's just actually put these down. So we have the number 10. The fastest way we can get there is a 6 and a 4. So you put down a yellow, which is 6, and a blue, which is 4. Next thing is 25. We can just put down 5 5s, so we can put down 5 reds. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next thing we have is a 26, which almost works. We can put down 4 5s and then a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then put down a yellow. And next thing we have is 29, which we can put down 4 6s and then a 5. 4 and then 5. And you'll know you get them correct based on the numbers that show below, and if it's green or not.
This was exactly the way right now.
So yeah, that's pretty simple. But as per usual, let's go over a second example.
This is the story of a man named Stanley.
Okay, let's take the hypothetical situation that I am the dumbest man on earth and accidentally press submit. So not only will the numbers show up as 0 and be red, but the numbers are also going to reset on a strike.
No, perhaps not.
The cube's values do not change though. So, A thing we can do, like to start off with, is to write the serial number backwards, so that way we don't have to worry about it later. So we have 8AR592. Modulo 6, 8 is 2. A is 1. R becomes 6. 5 stays as 5. 9 becomes 3. And 2 stays as 2. Now we write down the colors of the cubes. We then rearrange them in ascending order, keeping any ties in the same order that they stayed in. So we have green, blue, yellow, red, magenta, and orange. And then we just add them up like usual. Oh, actually, let me assign the values. So, orange is 6, we can add 6 and 3 to get 9. There's many ways you can solve each one, by the way, so I could use a 6 and a 3, I could use 3 3s, I can use a 5 and a 4. You're not limited to just one answer. Next thing we have is 27, which we can put 4 6s, and then a 3. Next thing we have is a 23, which we can put down 3 6s and 1 5. We can put down 3 6s again, and then 1 4, which is a red. And then we press submit.
This was exactly the way, right now,
and that is Stack'em. It's a pretty easy module, but if you learned it, good job. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and get a job.